Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is a Randger camper van and I quite like the way this one here is laid out, even though it's now being right, I'm still filming.
Still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming.
Hope you like this way.
we can stand down.
How you doing? Hello.
Was machen wir jetzt? Nee, ist okay. Ist okay.
No.
Später. Nein, lass es. Ich mal an der...
Non, sans problème. Faites ce que vous voulez. Non, je suis pas non, je continue.
Alles gut.
Alles gut, yeah.
Alles gut.
Okay. Right, sorry. I'll continue, but I'm going to leave that in because it was amusing. What I wanted to say, what I'm still going to say, look, I've got a step all the way up there now because this step has been put to one side and that step has gone. Right, so up here, I really like this layout. Now I'm going to explain why I like the layout. I like it's 550 centimeters in length. We've got this rear kitchen here. Huge amount of space in the kitchen. I know the design is, I don't know, it's probably 40 years old by now, but it works. Right, 3 burners in a camper van of this nature. Personally, I think 2 is enough, but hey, you get 1 extra in this one. Got a bit of storage there at the back, and we've got the same fridge as I've got in my van, which is currently bust, but I'm going to have to try and get it fixed. And I'd like to say this about this fridge. You've got 2 positions here. Look, that's nothing written there, but if I move that around like that, it says vent, and if you leave it like that, it sort of breathes when it's not on and it doesn't get full of mold. Coming in here, through here, like this, we've got the toilet, and at the rear of the toilet we've got the back door, and there is the place to keep all your smelly things to keep in the bathroom, and a bit more storage there at the back. Now, what do I think is so clever about this is the bed, which is up here, and it allows you to sleep in the roof. The roof has been extended upwards. You've got more space in the roof. You get up into the bed via this ladder. Behind the ladder, we've got here a wardrobe, and plenty of storage in there. You need a key to get the bed to come down, and then you press that one or that one, depending on which way you want it to go. In the meantime, of course, you can charge your phone up there. From these two, you've got a 12-volt plug there, and here you've got a shore power 230. Bit of storage up here, plenty of space in there, and that is the in short, more or less what we've got from this vehicle. Now the thing is this, when the bed comes down, you can see you've still got plenty of space under these chairs, which I think is a good thing. You can actually sleep 4 in here if you want, but I think 2 is quite adequate for a van of this nature. Now, the table is currently outside, and you can put the table inside should you want. It'll both go in and out. So, there. And here we've got a mosquito net. Notice all the storage in the kitchen. Now, let's come out and have a look at the back. Storage here, under there, and storage under there. Let's come to the rear end. We can see this from here, and that's how you get your toilet out. So it seems you've got space here, but you're going to need that space also so the toilet comes out like that. Do you want to see that in more detail? Okay, right, there you go. I pull the thing out all the way. There's the toilet cassette on its way out. And you can see into the toilet from here. Before using the toilet shower, you might want to close the door. There isn't a lot of space for battery in here, but I suppose you could always put another one on top. I don't know if that's going to work out. There you've got your fuses, and below more space. Anyway, I also got a ladder so you can sit on the roof if you want. Now I'll give you the details of the vehicle if it's here. So it's 548 centimeters long, 205 in width, 278 in height, well over 500 kilos of payload. That is what you're going to be paying for 83,219 euros. Right, so this is one of my favorite layouts. I really like this layout. I appreciate the layout. Dates to quite a way back in time. Something like this, you can park it just about anywhere, and that's I think a rather good thing for a van. It's always difficult to find somewhere to park. Anyway, good. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.